Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 2.4 and today I'll show you how easy you can apply tempered glass on this smartphone. So at the first we have to prepare the good source of light to see a very mess on the screen that we have. It's very important, we have to clean our screen and make it to the good condition, because when you leave something on the screen we will get the air bubbles and nobody wants it, right? So when you move to the tempered glass and you are opening the box, of course you can find the tempered glass inside, and also two wipes, the wet and the dry one. And of course in some cases you will be also get the stickers to take off the piece of the dust, but in my case I cannot find it. So right now we have to use the wet wipe to clean our screen. So let's make it, and as you can see on the screen we can find a lot of mess. So we have to make gestures like that in the circle. And when it looks like that, we can move to the dry one. So we have to do the same. Just make it in the circle. And as you can see right now, our screen looks very good. And right now I'm going to put it right here and just take a look. Here we can spot some piece of dust, right? So we can remove it like that with our wipe. Okay, and I think that right now it looks really good. So let's move to our tempered glass. We have to remove this foil at the first, so we have to make like that. As you can see, it was very easy. And just take a look on the screen one more time. If something is here, just remove it. Okay, right now we can move to the installation process. So you have to put your glass like that. Let's start from the upper section of the screen. Keep holding the bottom part. Let's put it like that. Press here with your finger. Keep holding and then put the bottom part on the display. And then it will go almost automatically. You can make it faster by pressing with your finger. If you got some kind of the air bubble, you can push it like that to the edge. And as you can see, this air bubble disappear. So right now let's grab our our dry wipe and just clean it like that. As you can see here, we got some kind of this scratch on this tempered glass already. I know it was very cheap, so it's not good quality of the product, but the installation process looks the same for every glass that you can afford. Okay, and when we finish, we can easily turn on our device. And of course, in the end, we have to clean our mess that we made with this box and other wipes and the plastic foil. And in the end, you will be able to use your smartphone. There is no problems with the touch interaction or something like that, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, and as you can see right now we are ready. We can easily use our smartphone with this glass. So yeah, that's how we can apply tempered glass on your Nokia 2.4. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!